Hi, I'm Jake, and in this video we will be controlling a plane using a virtual cockpit control panel we've set up using a bit of paper and finger tracking. As you can see, we have a standard joystick. With this we can tilt forwards and backwards, we can work the rudder, and we can tilt left and right. We also have a little throttle in here, but it doesn't work, and as you can see we do have a throttle and lots of buttons here to control the plane, but when you're trying to fly and work them at the same time, it's all very confusing, very annoying. So we've built this. Now this is basically a drawing of a control panel. Here's the throttle, here's various buttons. See, there's a landing, flaps down, flaps up, lights, start, engines autopilot, and engine off. And there's just some scribbly bits that I disregard later. Now, obviously this is a bit of paper, however, we have a Y mode and an infrared array looking down in this, and using this and some reflective rings we can actually get our finger position and allow this control panel to actually function. Here you can see if I drag the throttle up, the throttle on the plane goes up, and drag it down, the throttle on the plane goes down. Neat. So I can set the throttle into any position I want as if I had a real throttle in my hand. You see, I'm doing it on my left hand, so this allows me to hold the joystick in my right hand and I can work the controls with my left. Now obviously this will only work if I actually click the throttle. If I just click on another bit of the control panel, it won't go. So it is just clicking on the actual picture of the throttle bit slider that you actually have to press. And these buttons function as well. For instance, if I hit the landing lights button, that'll cause the landing gear to toggle between up and down. There we go. I can also work the flaps as well. So if we okay, there we are. There's us putting the flaps up or down, whatever you want, and there's us switching the lights on and off. Yeah, there's autopilot, which if it's a bit small you probably can't see it. Yep, so we have kind of the basic controls. There's not a huge amount, but there's enough that we can play around with it, see what its capabilities are. If you can see all these numbers here, that's where I've actually taken a reading on its coordinates in relation to the paper, so I can tell the program where the buttons are. The program actually uses an algorithm, so it takes coordinates in relation to the paper. So the left of the paper is 0, the right of the paper is 1, the top of the paper would be 0, the bottom of the paper would be 1. So 1, 1 is the bottom right, 0, 0 is the top left. And I get up to 2 decimal points, so the paper is essentially split into 100 by 100 squares. These are other little bits that I played with, but I decided not to use them. Like for instance, I have view was useless since I have a hat switch. So yeah, let's fly this thing. Here we have the Boeing set up. So we put the throttle forward, and we can also play with the landing gear. Let's adjust the flaps a bit. There we are, get them all the way out. And let's put them back in again. See, there's playing with the lights. There's a twitch. We can play with the autopilot. I don't know if you can hear it there, it made quite a bleep. Play with the throttle. Right. I'm not going to try and fly it here, I'm actually terrible at flying. Okay, so let's try flying a helicopter instead. So let's start the engines, switch on the lights. Now, because this is a helicopter, the throttle will actually work the differential rather than the revs. As you can see, when I move the throttle slider up and down, that moves the differential up and down. So then I'll just try and take this for a short flight just to demonstrate. Here we are, we lift up the differential. I'll just imagine I have a stick in my hand. Up we go. I just move my hand forwards and the helicopter rises up. Now let's just tilt forwards. And here we are, we're off. Just keep making minor adjustments. Hopefully I won't crash, that'd be wrong. Hopefully I switch the lights off. And everything this is, if I lift my hand away from the throttle slider, the collector will stay where it was when I left it, so I don't need to keep my hand on it all the time. Although in reality I do, since I need to make lots of little adjustments. But you can see we're flying along quite nicely. See if I can land this thing. Just drag the differential back. Because trimmed right for the runway. And just nice and gently. And we're down. Phew, safe and time. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this and stay tuned for more.